Kat banangnya kisngi kejela Meghalaya kelanang ki o kejing don kibriu kebayo e kejing pang COVID-19. Hendrai keladon ru kejing kermen ha kebabuan e kebayo e kejing pang kila sedang bankoj. Kat hadu kesithok dieng kebelayo e kejing pang keladon hendriu spa laingut bat kibalakoj pat keladon arspa kat sangut. U DHS MI u Dr. Amanwar uloong bahadu kesisajan keladon sanspa kendai pukendai ngut kebadang don e kejing pang COVID-19. Kibalakoj kidon arspa san pu arngut bat sangut kila klakno. Kisan spa kendai ngut kibalayo ekejeng pang kilong hais Khasi Hills South Spa kendai pun rungut kata arspa kat prangut ki BSF san pusangut ki Armed Forces bat arspa arpusangut ki rupat ba. Hawes Khasi Hills kidon sangut hari boy sapun rungut hawes Gente Hills kat sangut hais Gente Hills kat rungut hawes Garo Hills kat rungut ha South West Garo Hills sangut bat ha South Garo Hills arngut. Uloong beladat manpah kemi ibnia ya ginong muna jong kilai punyo hajar nyospa arpu prangut ki pat ba bat nagini alasyam balai pun reu hajar lai spa sapway kim shim layo ya kena jingpang bat menta gedang ap banyo ka kaipot sajong kisan spa lai puingut nalor kani uloong bagi brio ke balawan pai kejela keladon arpsa hajar lai spa sapusangut tang hak sisajan keladon lai pulai ngut ki bayo ya jingpang COVID-19 kata hais Khasi Hills arpunyungut ki bakentop ki Armed Forces prangut lai ngut ki badi ki BSF bat kan rungut ki rupat ba Iwei pat hawes Garo Hills, laingut hari boy, iwei hais Gente Hills, bat iwei hawes Khasi Hills. Kiladon lai pukan daingut, kibalakot na kena kejengpang kata lai puprangut ki BSF, bat iwei likir pat ba.
The progress of the virus, the progress of the illness. Nearly 95% of our cases now are asymptomatic. So now it is time that we accept that this virus is going to come. And when it comes, we have to take care of ourselves accordingly, as per the protocols laid down. Once we follow these protocols, once we live together with this virus, then all these things will just die down. And this disease will be like any other viral infection. And that I'm very definite also. Any other viral infection, if you get it, if your immunity is down, it'll be severe. And that is what we have seen for all other viral infections also. So it is time now that we see from the experience that this virus is going to come. Coronavirus is going to come. COVID-19 it has already come, in fact. It's going to come to each and every house. The only protection is the protocols which you have laid down. And that you always believe that you are asymptomatic, your friend next to you also is asymptomatic, and you take care of that. And once we learn to live with this virus, then everything becomes to normal, like any other viral infection. The only thing is that it spreads very fast. That is the only thing as of now what we have seen. And you have seen it for yourself also, that so many cases, ni don kan ni teliki case, kan nungut, ibadah sistem jod, ndan. Kini bar khoy ni quarantine, nibo iki hapo isolation ward, hey bar khoy, ndan kam dawai, ni si ai ki tangki vitamins, mo lar ki don jingshit malu malang, ni si ai ki, kato ka jingshit kala num day num tu COVID, syakriat, mo kiyo ada kiwe jingpang. Kadang ni habat im ni virus menta, it is clear now. Kalau along shy menta, ni haban im ni virus, ngimdei shu bandon katu kejing tieng, bandong positif, larang ilang positif ru, ni shu yadai lagi, bat ngidei bandang ban sumar hayeng. Kata kali bokong santa.
Kasorkar jela ha kejingelang bisharkam belalong hak sengi balang kalasye mekarai ban penjelan syuk ke hukum kang dam mikishnong gitau ha kenong bak shelong kabalakut ha kenehi ke sengi ha ke porch tengmiet. Kasorkar kelasye mekenekarai helor kejing ajeng mut jeng ketenat kakut kakya bat kumjuru ni kibor penyat distrik hendrai kasorkar kelarai pat ban penjur kejing li atas pat ba ha ke nyupui teliki cluster kam tam mikishnong ki basya penhap ha ki containment zone kenang ban lak bantek lakam me kejing nang sapriang jong kaklam COVID-19.
Tracing. Nak kadau habadon kanu positive cases. Kabanang ni sekmat na ni kabaladep ru ngi declare ka kum ka containment area le ni ka containment zone kenang ba ka ki health workers kinyok ban pendep lut ji gitu nadong sodong. Bad hadin ba ladep nang ta hadin ba ngila yok pada ka recommendation na kaliang jong ka health department ba hoy ladep lut nadong sodong la biang te na kaliang jong ka district administration kin salif no ya ka containment zone kat kum ka recommendation jong ka health department.
But in the meantime, all those containment areas where we have done the contact tracing, we have completed the contact tracing, all those tests have come out negative, we are withdrawing. Today, I think one Shnong we have already withdrawn, and All the other areas where we have not completed the contact tracing, there's still some left. Then that containment area, that containment is still invoked.
From the government side, that's what right from the very beginning I've already told. Though lockdown is lifted, but you need to be more vigilant on your own self, because that is more important than anything else. I used to mention to all of you and then communicate it to all the citizens of the state that the fight of COVID-19 does not mean government can win over. In fact, the fight is to every citizen of the state. You can't say that government alone can fight this battlefield, but I'm just telling you, we need to fight individually, personally. Fighting individually and personally means you need to adhere in totality to the protocols and then the SOPs issued by the government through health department from time to time.
Hagani ke jingalang ke sarkar kelas Shimru ikarai ban penkelan oksipor ke TB Hospital Batamai Sauli kumka Corona Care Center namar ke jing nang kiu jing kibriu ke bayo ke jing pang COVID-19 nakasngi shagasngi he East Khasi Hills. Ke sarkar kelas Shimru ikarai namar yaka Corona Care Center ha IIM New Shillong la penkela mata kumka Corona Care Center jigi bor pahara. Bat day namar kene kadau balabo baka Corona Care Center ha TB Hospital kan long bet tek tang ke benta kiru pat ba. Kani ke center kedan palat cis pak jeng tia bat kedan ru laki jong ki kamera tia ba penesendat lang bat ki pankana. Hagani kejakan bo tangi kitu ki bayo yuk nyang jingpang ki ba amdan kam ban ai jing sumar ne ki bamdan kam ban ai oksigen ne ki sidi tang de ki dawai kata kita ki bahab haka kategori A bat B ka bomut begitu ki badan ke jingpang tang ba ki shat ki klan ne ki long asymptomatic bat ki mild symptomatic. Hendrai nak kebenta kita kebahab haka kategori C bat D ne ki severe case ki dan kambanan ki hospital kata iki kategori C haka Corona Care Center ha Shillong Civil Hospital bat iki kategori D pat labuk ban sumar ha negrims ki badan ki oksigen bat kum joru ki ventilator.